Happy day children, I hope you are all fine. Yes, this is 9th standard social science history lesson 1, evolution of humans and society prehistoric period. Okay, in our last video we saw about the topic evolution. What is mean by evolution? The stage of development. Okay, so evolution, development of humans and society and prehistoric period. Prehistoric means period before civilization. Okay, we saw a new word about artifact, archaeologist and origin of the earth, age of speculation, scientific formation. These are about our last videos. And prehistoric period was divided into three types. Our Indian history divided into three types, that is ancient history, medieval history and modern history. Okay, in this video, in this lesson we are going to learn about the earliest ancient civilization. Okay, that is divided into three types, that is Paleolithic culture. What is meant by lithic technology? Lithic means stone. Okay, so lithic technology means making of tools using the stone, that is called lithic technology. Okay, then Paleolithic culture, the stone age was divided into, that means lithic age was divided into three, that is Paleolithic culture, that means Paleolithic means oldest culture. Okay, Paleolithic culture and Mesolithic culture and Neolithic culture. Okay, Paleolithic culture we saw about what we saw about the peoples were used native stones. Okay, they don't search for any rich raw material. Okay, they using the stones what we gather there. Okay, in the nearing places, native stone tools they were used. Okay, and what about the Mesolithic culture? The Mesolithic culture, the people used the polished attractive stone tools. Okay, they sharpened the edges. Okay, they sharpened the edges, they created in attractive. Okay, they selected a stones, that means pebbles, core. Okay, they were and basaltic rocks. Okay, they selected the stones. Okay, they polished it and it was created attractive. Okay, that is called the Mesolithic culture. And what is Neolithic culture? People preferred their food themselves. People prepared their food themselves. Okay, they cultivate the crops and domesticated the animals. Okay, domesticated the animals. Peoples prepared their food themselves. Okay, that is called the Neolithic culture. And we saw about the Neolithic culture. Okay, yes. In this video we are going to learn about the prehistoric Tamilagam. Okay, so prehistoric Tamilagam, this is different topic. Okay, so prehistoric Tamilagam in Paleolithic culture, the Paleolithic culture divided into three, that is lower Paleolithic culture, middle Paleolithic culture and upper Paleolithic culture. Let us see one by one. Okay, the oldest, first we see about the lower Paleolithic culture. Okay, oldest stone tools. So the oldest stone tools are produced in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these stone tools are found at near Chennai region, near in Chennai region. Okay, yes, near Chennai region at several areas, especially the Adirambakkam. Okay, the archaeological excavations of these artifacts suggest the people divided here into 1.5 to 2 million years ago. Okay, yes, the Kosasthalaya river is one of the major cradles of human ancestors in the world. Okay, Kosasthalaya river. Okay, yes, so the oldest stone tools are made by human ancestors. Okay, in this lower Paleolithic culture, lower Paleolithic peoples were called hominids. Okay, these peoples are called hominids. Okay, Yes. Next, Sir Robert Fruit's fruit. Sir Robert Fruit's fruit. Okay. Yes. He was a zoologist from England. Okay. He first discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Okay. Here also the people hunter and gatherer. Okay. In this culture, people were hunter and gatherer. Okay. They were hunting the animals for their food and gathering fruits and nuts for their foods. Okay. Yes. Next we see about the hand axes and cleavers. Okay. The hand axes in this prehistoric Tamilaham, the lower Paleolithic people don't have knowledge about iron. Okay, iron and pottery. Okay, the hand axes, cleavers are the important tool types. Okay, the hand axes and cleavers are the important tool types of the lower Paleolithic culture. Okay, the lower Paleolithic peoples, these tools are also found in North Arcot and Dharmaburi district. Okay, lower Paleolithic tools were found in nearing North Arcot and Dharmaburi district. Okay, the southern part of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka do not have evidence about of lower Paleolithic culture. Okay, do you understand? Yes. So the lower Paleolithic culture, it is one of the oldest stone tools in the world. Okay, in this lower Paleolithic peoples were called hominids. Okay, lower Paleolithic peoples were called hominids. The stone tools are found near the Chennai region. Okay, the stone tools are found near the Chennai region at several places, especially the Adhirambakam. Okay. Next, the Kosasthalaya river is one of the major cradles of human ancestors. Okay. Yes. Next, Robert Fruit's fruit in 1863. Okay, 1863. Sir Robert Fruit, a geologist from England. He is from England. He discovered the Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram near Chennai. Okay. Yes, the hand axes assemblages were considered the Madras stone tools industry. Okay, these tools that he discovered are now housed in Chennai Museum. Okay, it is found now at Chennai Museum. Okay, yes. Next, the lower Paleolithic peoples were hunted the wild animals and gathering the fruits and nuts for their food. Okay, they did not have knowledge about iron and pottery making. Okay, yes, the hand axes and cleavers were the important stone tools in lower Paleolithic culture. Okay, the tools are found in the soil deposit and also exposed to the river. Okay, Pallavaram, Adhirambakam, Vadamadurai, Parikulam. Okay, in lower Paleolithic tools are found in North Arcot and Dharmaburi district. Okay, the southern part of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka do not have evidence of lower Paleolithic culture. Okay. Next we see about the middle Paleolithic culture. Okay, in this culture people use smaller stone tools. Okay, some of the tools are flakes, cleavers, scrapers, knife. Okay, it is compared to the previous past, it is also smaller in size. Okay, and the tools have been collected at Pudukkottai, Thanjore and Ariyalur. Okay, yes. The middle Paleolithic culture, the Paleolithic culture emerged during 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. Okay, the period is 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. Okay, this period is called as middle Paleolithic culture. Okay, the tools of this period underwent the changes. Okay, the tools of this period underwent the changes. Okay, these are smaller in size. These are smaller in size. Okay, it compared with the previous pause, it is smaller in size. Okay, became smaller. Okay, the evidence of the middle Paleolithic culture observed some parts of Tamil Nadu, that are, what is that? I already told you, Tanjore, Pudukottai, Ariyalur. Okay, Upper Paleolithic culture. Upper Paleolithic culture, actually no evidence in Tamil Nadu. Okay, on the Upper Paleolithic culture. Okay, keep it in your mind. In many parts of the world and some parts of India, Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded the Middle Paleolithic culture. Okay, and prehistoric Tamilakam, just we learn about two divisions of Paleolithic culture, that is Lower Paleolithic culture and Middle Paleolithic culture. Okay, and second one is Middle Paleolithic culture. Okay, why will not read the Upper Paleolithic culture? Because there was no evidence of Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Are you clear? Yes. Paleolithic culture, we see about the Mesolithic culture. Mesolithic culture is the age between Paleolithic culture and Neolithic culture. Okay, the middle age, that is called the Mesolithic culture. Okay, in this culture, people used small artifact. Okay, people used microliths. Microliths means small stone tools, small artifacts. Okay, people used. In this age, people lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. People lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and some of the tools used by them. Okay, some of the tools were used in this age people. Okay, they were scrapers, lunettes and triangles. Okay, scrapers means, what is the scraper? I already told you what is that. Scraper means that is used for scraping the surface of the earth. Okay, yes, and the lunettes are the tool, the shape of a crescent. Okay, lunettes means a shape, the tool, it is the shape like a crescent. Okay, and the triangle are the tools in the shape of triangle. Okay, yes, these were the some of the tools used by in Mesolithic culture people. Okay, next the evidence, some of the people here, the peoples were hunter and gatherer, hunting the animals and gathering fruits and nuts for their food. Okay, and the evidence are found in North Arcot and Dharmaburi district. Okay, yes, in Mesolithic people who used microliths or small stone artifact. Okay, lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Adirambakam and Gideon yield both early middle Paleolithic artifact. Okay, the age between Paleolithic and Neolithic is called the Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. Okay, yes. Next, the evidence are found in North Arcot, Dharmaburi, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. Okay, the 30 sites means it is near Thoothukudi district. Okay, here we found the microliths stone tools. Okay, these sites have been red sand dunes, that is called terri. Okay, terri means, what is that? Red sand dunes. Okay, that is found in Tuticorin, that means Thoothukudi. Okay, yes, the people of this period used small artifact. Okay, they used small artifact, that is called, some of the tools were called scrapers, lunettes and triangles. Okay, yes, these people hunted wild animals for their food and gathering fruits and nuts for their subsistence. What is Neolithic culture? Here. Okay, now we going to learn the Neolithic age, that means new age. Okay, crops and animal domestication. Okay, this culture, people cultivated crops and domesticated animals. Okay, it is called new age. Okay, because the beginning of agriculture, cultivation of crops, okay, people preferred their food themselves, okay, and they cultivated crops and domesticated animals, okay. So it is called new age, okay. This age is known as new age because the people used to polished hand axes, okay. Yes, here cattle rearing, okay, people domesticated goat, cow and cattle, okay. Cattle rearing is the main occupation, okay. Yes, hunter and gatherer, in some case some of the people hunter and gatherer, they are hunting animals for their food and gathering fruits and nuts for their subsistence, okay. Village with houses, okay, people started to live in small villages with houses, okay, people started to live in small villages with houses, okay. The houses are made of thatched roof, okay, thatched roof, and walls are plastered with clay, okay, walls are plastered with clay, okay. Yes, next the evidence are found in Vellore, Dharmaburi regions, okay. Once again I repeat the Neolithic culture, okay, the culture that in this culture people domesticated animals, okay, and cultivated crops, okay, that is called new age. Neolithic people were used polished hand axes, that is called celt, okay. Cattle rearing was their main occupation, okay. What is main occupation of Neolithic people? Cattle rearing, okay. Yes, they lived in small villages with houses. It was made up of thatched roof, okay. What is roof? That is, okay, top of the house, okay. Yes, the cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in small villages with houses. It was made up of thatched roof. The walls are plastered with clay, okay. Yes, the evidence of Neolithic villages are found at Payyampalli in Vellore district and few sites of Dharmaburi region, okay. The evidence are found at Vellore and Dharmaburi region, okay. Payyampalli is the village near Vellore district. Payyampalli is the village near Vellore district and the earliest evidence of domestication of animals and cultivation, okay. Next, evidence of pottery making and cultivation of horse gram, green gram has been found in this village, okay. Where is that? Payyampalli near Vellore. Neolithic period or Iron Age, okay. In this period people melted the iron and makes the tools, so it is called Iron Age. During this period many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people, okay. An exchange relationship developed among the people, okay. Is the people had no knowledge about pottery making. They used iron, bronze and gold ornaments, okay. The evidence found at the evidence for the Iron Age found in Adichanallur in Thuthukudi, Madurandaham and Sittanavasal and Tirunelveli district, okay. Yes, once again I recall the Mesolithic period or Iron Age, okay. Mesolithic age is also called as Iron Age. The culture of this period succeeded Neolithic period, okay. This culture of this period is succeeded next to Neolithic period, okay. Yes, it is the people used iron technology. So it is called as Iron Age, okay. During the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by the people. The exchange relationship developed among the people, okay. The people of this age had knowledge about pottery making, okay. They used iron, bronze and gold ornaments, okay. They used shell ornaments and beads made up of cornelian, okay. Yes, Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district and Madurandaham, Sittanavasal near Pudukottai. These are the place have we found evidence of Megalithic peoples. Okay, do you clear? Yes. Next we see about Megalithic burial system. Megalithic burial system. Okay, in this period people created burials with large stone, so it is called Megalithic burial. Okay, why it is called so people used large stone for their dead person. Okay, large stone for the dead person, so it is called a Megalithic burial. Okay, yes, in this period, in this culture, people created for their dead person with large stone. Okay, within these burials, few bones of dead person and iron object, bronze object which were used by dead person. Okay, yes, these are the grave goods. Okay, this type of burials are also called memorial burials. Okay, a dead person. So it is called Megalithic burial. Okay, yes, Megalithic means large stone. Okay, so this culture is called Megalithic culture. Okay, in this culture, people created for the dead person with large stone. Okay, within these burials, few bones of dead person and iron object, bronze object and cornelian beads placed along with grave goods. Okay, placed along with grave goods. Okay, some burials do not have human bones. Some burials do not have human bones. Okay, and they have only the grave goods, the objects, iron objects and cornelian beads also. Okay, this type of burials is called memorial burials. Okay, yes. Next we do you understand? The Iron Age is also known as Megalithic. Okay, why? The people created burials with large stone. Okay, for the dead person, so it is called that. Okay, yes. Next, what are the grave goods? Grave goods means it is the object placed in the burials along with the physical remains, that means bones of the dead person. Okay, the people have believed that that these would be useful for the afterlife. Okay, the placed goods would useful for afterlife. Okay, Egyptian pyramids have also similar artifact. Okay, so some of the burials are, listen here. Okay, menhir, next sarcophagus, next Kodakal, that is found in Kerala, Tobikal and Padikal, that is in Kerala, and a urn covered with lids, it is found at Adichanallur, and the stone circle. Okay, stone circle and dolmen and chest. Okay. Yes, here menhirs, these are the filler like stone. Okay, filler like stone, it was created stone, parts of burials or memorials. Okay, next, menhirs maybe have been erected for the heroes of the Iron Age. Okay, yes, the tradition of hero stones might be begun in the Iron Age even before. Okay, next, do you clear what is Megalithic burial system? Yes, what is Megalithic burial system? Megalithic period is also called as Meha. Meha means large stone. Okay, so the people in this period, people created burials with large stone for the dead person. Okay, so this period is called as Megalithic period. Okay, next we see about agriculture and pastoralism. Okay, agriculture and pastoralism. Agriculture, this is the last part of this lesson. Okay, yes, practice agriculture. Okay, here the people cultivated the crops themselves. Okay, people practiced agriculture and domesticated sheep, goat and cow. Okay, cattle rearing. Okay, yes, rice millets. So okay, here the people cultivated rice and millets. Okay, they also considered these are the main crops. Okay, irrigation facilities also developed in this period. Okay, main professionals in this culture, main professionals in this period are farming communities. Okay, hunter and gatherer. Next, craft specialist. Okay, last one is pottery making. Okay, these are the professionals. Okay, next, expansion of territories. The next expansion of territories also taking place in this period. Okay, next, pottery making. Okay, pottery is an important evidence found in these archaeological sites. Okay, the Iron Age and Sangam Age people used black and red color potteries. Okay, yes, the potteries were used for cooking, storage and tanning purposes. The black and red ware pottery has been also used in this culture people. Okay, next, iron technology. Okay, the Mesolithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods. Okay, the iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and battles. Okay, weapons such as swords, daggers, axes, lamps, they were used in this culture people. Okay, yes, the iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. Okay, yes. Do you clear the concept? Once again, we recall that lesson. The history of the human is linked with the history of the earth. The earth originated around 4.54 billion years ago. Okay, the ancestors of human called hominids. They were appeared about 5 to 7 million years ago. Okay, although the people gave divine explanation for origin. Okay. The origin of human has divine explanation. Science believed in the theory of human evolution from great apes. That means chimpanzee. Okay. Humans began to domesticate animals and cultivate crops. The agricultural revolution led to many changes. Okay. Humans lived in permanent houses, made pottery and with the surplus food production. Okay, they developed the various crafts. Okay, as the earliest evidence of humans is available in Tamil Nadu, 2 to 1.5 million years ago. Okay, the Middle Paleolithic culture found in some parts of Tamil Nadu. Okay, but Upper Paleolithic culture have no evidence. Okay, the Mesolithic culture people lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Okay, iron tools were used for agriculture. The Iron Age, we saw further expansion of people in various culture zones. Okay, this Iron Age is also called Sangam Age in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Clear? Do you clear the concept? Yes. Read out the lesson carefully and pronounce a new word clearly and practice it. Okay? Yes. Today's your assignment is write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. List out the features of Megalithic burial tags. Okay. Once again, I repeat it. Write a note on the impact of pastoralism on the prehistoric people in Tamil Nadu. Second one, list out The factors of megalithic burial types. Okay. These two question answers today's your homework. Read out the lesson carefully. Practice the new words. Pronounce it clearly. We will see the next video. Thank you, students.